Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala ashrafil mursalin Muhammadin wa alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. We thank Allah once again that He gives us the ability to conduct another class, inshallah. We are always grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today we are going to deal with ratios, yes? We finish percentages, although we have to have one class in which we have to do questions. Questions, yes? Questions on percentages. And that will culminate in compound interest, because that seems to be a difficult area. Compound interest, compound decay, where the population of a given entity goes down, okay? It depreciates. Like the number of trees in the forest is being cut down, it depreciates by a certain rate. The number of fish in the pool depreciates by a certain age. Certain percentages, yeah, that's percentage decay, and we have done that in one of the the videos, and we're going to revisit that topic again. Okay, today we're going to ratio, and they all related with percentages, yes. So ratio is just like proportion, yes. It's just like a proportion of one entity to another. One entity, or the proportion or relationship of, relationship, yes, between two entities or two dimensions, yes, two dimensions or measurement. Okay? It's a relationship between two entities, dimensions or measurements, yes? What I want to say is, let's say we have a rectangle like this, okay? We have the length and the breadth. Let's say this is 20, this is 10. So we can set the ratio, or the relationship between the length and the breadth is 1 is 20 and 1 is 10. So this is length and this is breadth. So ratio, in what ratio they are, it seems we can narrow this to, by dividing each side by 10, is to 2 is to 1. So every 1 centimeter of the length of the breadth will be 2 centimeters for the breadth, yes. So we can say the length is equal to 2 times the breadth in it, when you come to algebra, yes. So the length is twice the breadth, yes. Yes. So the same thing as ratio, okay. We can say, just like in algebra, 2 is equal to y is equal to 2x, yes. Yes. So same thing. Every 1 movement in y in x is 2 movement in, yes. And it also is something shown as a line graph, yes, which is the ratio is the gradient, okay. How one movement in one unit movement in one affect the unit movement in another entity or variable. So that is what we call ratio. So straight, all these are introduction. Straight away we're going to go to the maths itself. Now most of the circuit, they give you ratio in this form, yes. Okay, let's say they said 2 people share 100 pounds in a ratio of 5:10. Okay, which actually means if you look at it, it means 1:2, because you can divide everything by 5 and it will be in the form of 1:n, meaning the first one should be n. What should be the second one? Can you put your mind here, please? Yeah. If you see the book, they will say if a ratio is 75 is to 25. They want you to put in the form n is to 1. You divide both sides by 25 in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that will be 3 is to 1. You see a lot of that in the syllabus, in the textbook, yes?
It's like a calculator.
No, you don't need to at the moment. So therefore, there are many ways of doing ratios. Okay? So the one I learned is, first of all, you add the total ratios, yes? The total ratio, you add, the total ratio is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So, that means the first pass one, he'll earn 1 out of 3. The second guy will add 2 out of 3. Okay, of the amount shared. So if we said John and Peter shared an inheritance of £4,000 in a ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay? That means John for Peter, the ratio is 3 is to 2. That's what it means, okay? So, as I said, the first thing you do is you add the ratios in it. If you add the ratios, they equal to 5. That's the total ratio. So it means John will earn 3 out of 5 of the money times 4,000. And Peter will earn 2 out of 5 times 4,000. Okay? That's one way of doing it, in it. Okay? So if you do that, it's going to be 800, and this guy will get 2,400. And this guy will get 800, he will get 1,600. As I said, that is one way of solving. Yes. Another way is finding the unit ratio or unit amount. Yes, find the unit amount. This one is using the total amount in it. This other one is using the total amount in it. Total amount, total ratio, or total ratio proportion. So these are the two ways of sorting out ratios, yes? If you are going to sort out this using that finding unit amount, we are going to say, look, the total ratio is 5, yes? So that means the unit ratio is equal to 4,000 divided by 5, which is equal to 800 pounds in it. That's unit ratio, that's the risk, one share. One share is 800. So if a person share is 3, which is John, you will say is 800 times 3, which is 2,400. Okay, and Peter will be 800 times 2, which is 1,600. So it depends on which one is easier for you, this way or that way. Okay, so this is what we call ratios. Now they can give ratios to you in so many ways, and you can say Lamin and twice the wages of Ahmad, and the total wages is 5,000 pounds. Okay, how much will it get? Okay, so you have to put L Ahmad. So if Ahmad earns 1, okay, you have twice the wages of Ahmad. So that means 2 times that of Ahmad in it. So if Ahmad earn 1, John will earn 2 in it. Or if Ahmad X, this guy will earn 2X in it. You see? That's what it means. Yes? So the same thing, let's get the total is 3 units. And the unit will be, let's make this 6,000, so easy. And the unit earning will be, unit earning will be 600. 6,000 divided by 3, which is equal to 2,000. So therefore, using our unit way of finding it, Lami will have 2,000 times 2, while Ahmad will have 2,000 alone. Yes? Yes. Okay, so basically that is 4,000 pounds and 2,000 pounds. You can see he earns twice more than that of this guy. Yes? Yes. So he can give you ratios in that format also. So is ratios difficult? That's all the mechanics of ratios, basic ratios. But you will understand more when we solve questions. Okay? Sometimes it will be the ratio of 2 sides. Yes? The ratio of a side. Okay? This is 4. This is 6. This is 4. Imagine one side is increased by 20%. What will be the new ratio? You
have to make the other side increase by 20% as well.
Yes. Why?
To make it equal.
Only one side is increased by ratio, yes? So this one will be 1.20 by 1.2 times 4 equal to 4.8. So the new ratio is 4.8 is to 6. Okay? You can give ratio in all those manners, yes? I give my pause back. Okay, 1, 2, 3, yeah? Is alright. Let's continue, yeah? Okay. Ratio, we have to look at many aspects of ratio, yes? I gave you ratio when something is shared by 2 people with 2 ratios, yes? Yeah. Sometimes you can have 3 ratios, yes? Let's say Paul, John and Mark shared 5,000 kilometers square of land in a ratio of 2:3:5. Okay, how much will it get? How much will it get? Each get. Now this is the one we did was 2 in it. This one is 3. So therefore the same thing, we can find the total ratio in it, which is equal to 10. Okay. Now Paul will get 2/10 times 5,000 kilometers square. Okay. John will get 3/10 times 5,000 kilometer square. And then Mark will get 5/10 times 5,000 kilometer square. Okay, this is one way. Alternatively, we can find the total ratio is 10. So therefore the unit ratio, the unit square meter is 5,000 divided by 10 unit. Total ratio which is equal to 500 kilometer square. Okay, that is for 1 unit. Okay, that's for 1 unit.
Yes, you have to work out the rest.
Now see, for John, for Paul, he will get 2 times 500. Okay, John will get 3 times 500, and Mark will get 5 times 500. This is 1,000. This is 1,500, and this is 2,500. And the same thing. We are just finding unit, and the same thing is happening here because this is dividing that. Okay, so this is also another way of doing ratios. Yes, this is when where 3 is applied. Now, finding out the ratios itself is another part of it. Finding out the ratios. Okay, let's say somebody, John arrived, yes, or sorry, John and Paul walk a distance of 120 kilometers in a ratio of 3 and 3:7. So the same thing, you add the ratios together, okay, which is equal to 10. Ratio 7 plus 6 is equal to 10, and the unit distance is 120 divided by 10, which is equal to 12 kilometers. So each of them will have that. Yes, John will be 3 times 12, and Paul will be what? Paul will be 7 times 12. Yes, so very easy. Now let's go to converting, because this is the first question they give you easy ones. Yes, and you don't want to miss those easy ones. Let's say they want you to put these ratios into ratio. Yes, into ratios. 30 seconds and 1 minute. 30 seconds and 1 minute. Yes, 100 centimeter and 2 kilometer. Okay, what would you do? 20 meters, 0.5 kilometer. Okay, 200 meters and 0.5 kilometers, isn't it? I don't think they will give you kilometer and mile. I don't think they will do that. Okay. What else do you think? Okay. 50 milliliters is to 0.02 liters. How do we tackle that?
You have to find out the amount of one.
Where's the other pen? 1, 2. Okay. Let's look at these questions. Yes, they want you to state these ratios. They want you to state these ratios in a manner of n:1, something like that. Yes, but they want you to do the ratios. Now, we look at this. This one is in seconds. Yes, and this one is in minute. Yes. Let's say we have another one which is 45 minutes to 0.5 hours. Yes. Okay. So we have to ask ourselves how many minutes are there in a second in it. 60 seconds is 1 minute. Yes. So either we convert all this into minute, or we convert this into seconds, so that we compare like with like in it. Okay. Now let's put everything in seconds. This will be 30 seconds. Okay. Is to how many seconds? This one? 60 seconds. So therefore that will be equal to 1:2 in it. Yeah. What about this one? How many centimeters? Let's make this 1000. Okay. 1000 centimeters. Or you can leave it like that. How many centimeters is 1 kilometer? Let's make this 1000. Yes. Okay, 1000. How many centimeters is 1 kilometer?
1000?
No. First of all, 1000 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, 1 meter in.
Oh,
Am I right? Sorry, 100.
No, 100, yeah.
100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meters
1 kilometer.
is equal to 1
Kilometer.
kilometers.
Yeah, right.
So how many centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer then?
How many centimeters?
1,000
to equal 2 kilometers.
How many centimeter is therefore equal to 1 kilometer? Sorry, let me close.
1,000 centimeters into 1 kilometer.
Okay. You can see that 1 kilometer is equal to 10,000 centimeter. You just multiply 100 by 1000, isn't it? Yeah. You add 2 more zeros, become 5 zeros, isn't it? And you have 5 zeros here. So we either convert everything into centimeter or everything into kilometers. Yes. Okay. Now therefore, we are now looking at 1000 centimeter is to 20,000 centimeter, isn't it? Yeah, because we now convert this into centimeter. So basically we are looking at, if you knock out all the zeros, sorry, 1, 2, 3, we are looking at something like 1:20 in it. Am I right? Yeah. We are looking at 1:20. Okay, that's this one, 1:20. We're looking at 1:20. What about the second one? 200. We say 200 meters to 5 kilometers. Yes. Okay. What do you think? We either convert everything into meters or convert everything into kilometers, isn't it?
Meters.
So let's, yes. How many meters is 1 kilometer? 1000, isn't it? So 0.5 times 1000,
500.
okay, is equal to 500 in a centimeter now. Am I right? So therefore, we are now comparing is to 500, which basically equal to 2:5. Okay, but when they say they wanted to make it n is equal to 1, or 1 is equal to n, something like that, then you can't have 2 here. You have to divide this by 2, divide this by 2, because they want the first one to be 1, innit? So this is 1:2.5. That's what they mean by n:1, because at least 1 should at least be 1, innit? Yes. Now let's look at the third one. 500 ml, 0.0, and 1000 milliliter is equal to 1. Yes. So you multiply this 0.02 times 1000. How much do you think is that? When you multiply, have you done decimals?
Yeah, you move to the right.
Have you done decimals?
Yeah.
If you multiply anything by the decimal, you move to the right by the number of zeros in it.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3 will be the third one in it.
So 20
Yes. So let's count to 20. 20 what? Milliliters in it. Yes. So now we are comparing 50 is to 20 in it. Milliliters in it. That is equal to 5 is to 2. If you want to make it n is to 1, it is going to be 2.5 is to 1. Yes. 2.5 is to 1 because they wanted to convert it to n is to 1 in it. Now look at this one, 45 minutes and 0.5 hours. Same thing. We convert this into hours, yes? If I told you we convert, if this is seconds, let's say this was seconds, yes? Let's say it was 200 seconds. Okay? We have to convert this into seconds in it. How many seconds is 1 hour?
60.
How many seconds is 1 hour?
Oh, sorry.
60 seconds is 1 minute, in it?
Yeah.
And 60 minutes
It's 1 hour.
is 1 hour, in it? So therefore 360 minute is 1
Hour.
second is 1
Hour.
hour, seconds. So now we are comparing 200 seconds is to 360 seconds. Okay? That basically means 0 cancel, sorry, what can go? 4 can go
Yeah.
50 times,
Or 6.
4 can go 90 times, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
So when 10 goes by, it will be 5 is to 9. Okay? Or if you want n is to 1, it will be 1 is to 9 over 5. When they want it in that format. Is that clear? Okay. Halimati, we have to end there. Okay, we have done examples, many examples of ratio. Now, we look at exam questions, then it will sink in. Now, our next topic we're going to look at is advanced ratios. Yes, I'll call it advanced ratios. Okay, we're looking at map reading. Map reading.
Oh, the coordinations.
Map reading and increase and decrease, yes? Increase and decrease ratios. Ratio, okay? Okay, subhanallah, subhanallah, azim, la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Okay?